This animation will show how you get a cold. A cold is a viral illness which usually lasts for about 1 week. Click the navigation arrows below the animation screen to play, pause, rewind or fast-forward the animation. Cold viruses, such as the rhinovirus and coronavirus, are taken into the body when you breathe them in from the air or when you touch surfaces which have the virus on them and then touch your mouth, nose or eyes. You can also get cold viruses from close or direct contact with someone with the virus, by kissing someone with the virus, for example. The eyes, nose, mouth and airways are all connected. Cold viruses can pass through these tubes and cavities to cause the symptoms of a cold. Cold viruses grow in soft, warm surfaces, such as your nose, throat, sinuses or airways. Infection with a cold virus causes the immune system to produce antibodies which attach to the virus and destroy it. Your body also makes mucus which traps the viruses. You may swallow the viruses, so they're destroyed by the acid in your stomach, or they may be removed when you blow your nose. Excess mucus production causes the symptoms of a blocked nose, sneezing and coughing. You may also have a headache, which may be caused by the pressure in the sinuses blocked with mucus. Your body gradually fights the infection, so you feel better after about a week. This is the end of the animation. Click on the animation screen to watch it again.